All right, everybody, welcome back to another episode on ADHD Acres. Today, I'm going to be showing off something that I'm really excited about. I've been wanting it for a while, and I finally got one for my birthday. Um, the only thing is, I couldn't find any tutorials or anything for it online, so I had to go look up the schematics and look at the other paperwork that was online about it because it didn't come with any instructions. But that's okay. I got it. I figured it out. Um, So I'm going to make a little quick tutorial on it because, like I said, I couldn't find one online. And it is oh, the Arduino 4 Shield Relay. And I love Arduino stuff. They're really fun to play with and tinker with. And they always come in a really fancy package. I love them. Open it up. Comes with a little thank you note from Arduino. A couple of little things. And there's the relay shield itself. Comes with a little piece of foam on the back to protect the headers. The headers are nice and long, and they plug right into the Arduino Uno. It's got four relays on it. The screw the terminals to hook into the relays, and it's got these little connectors down here. This is for analog 3, analog 2, um, digital 6, digital 5, and these are for SCA and SCF stuff. Really cool. Reset button. It has these little LEDs on the side, letting you know which relay is on. So that's what it is. You can official Arduino. I know it's mirrored. I'm sorry, but we're gonna tinker with it, and I'm gonna give you quick, um, a quick tutorial on it. I'm gonna be using this eLego R3. It's an Arduino clone that I got in the kit way back in the day, but it works, and it just plugs in to the headers on the Arduino just like that, and you are hooked up to it. It's that simple. It gets its power from the Arduino itself, so there's not an external power supply for this, which is really nice. So let's go ahead and plug it in. Arduino's powered on, but I don't have anything up top yet because I hadn't programmed the Arduino yet. So let's come down here, open up the IDE. Let's go ahead and start programming this thing. I'm going to start with an int relay underscore 1, and it's going to be on pin 4. Another int. We're going to do this for all 4 relays. Score 2. It's going to be on pin 7. Int relay underscore 3. It's going to be on pin 8. Going to be on 12. Let's go ahead and do another int for delay time. Let's make it 1 second. And then let's do another int. Baud rate, we're going to do 9600. I think that's it. The variables. Come down here in the setup. We're going to need 4 pin modes. So pin mode relay underscore 1. It's going to be an output. Same thing for the rest of them. Now, while I'm typing this, let's move that out of the way. While I'm typing this, I don't know if anybody knows this or not, but when you're programming, capitalization matters, especially No, I won't say especially, but you notice when I type in commands, sometimes they'll turn a different color. Like that right there. Excuse me one moment. So we're on relay 3. And whenever you're typing in your commands like that, remember to always put in the semicolons at the end. Most of the time, there's a couple of commands that you don't, but I'm not going to cover those right now. Output. All right, I think that's it for the setup. Let's come down here to void loop, and let's go ahead and put in our commands. So we're going to do a di digital write. Turns our little orange color. Let's turn on. Oh, excuse me. Let's back up. Let's back up. Let's do our. Let's turn on our serial monitor. I'm not using a serial monitor just yet, but always get practice to turn it on. All right, so now we're ready for. Let's do a little delay real quick because I don't want it to turn on just as soon as I load it up. Then we'll turn it on. By doing a digital write, and we'll do relay underscore 1. And we'll do it as high. High is all caps. We'll do a delay DT. And then we'll do digital write. And we'll turn it off. So I could type all that out for each one, but we're going to do this. Change the 1 to a 2. Change the 1 to a 2. Change the 1 to a 3. And then change the 1. Oops. One to a 4. And I've already got my delay up there, but we'll go ahead and put another delay down here. Why not? And that should be it. Let's check our code real quick. What did I miss? That's what I did. I always like to check my code before I do anything. Let's check it again. Why is it not liking that? That's what it is. See, capitalization matters. All right, everything looks good. So let's make sure that we're on the right COM. I have an Arduino Uno. Yep, we're good. So let's go ahead and load it up. And I'm going to hold it up to the camera. Keep your eye on the LEDs. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Wait, is it 1, 2, 3, and 4? All right. So I don't know if you can hear them clicking on and off, but I can hear them clicking on and off. But that was just a little test for the relay shield. I hope this helps some people out. Um, if you want to, if you want me to, I will do a actually, you can find the schematic on the Arduino website. That's how I've got it figured out. Um, but until then, thank y'all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and tell your friends about it.